Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we're enthusiastically setting the stage for a tool that, no exaggeration, fundamentally changes how we manage our digital brains. If you've ever felt like your personal notes, your deep research, or even just those brilliant midnight ideas are trapped inside software you don't actually control, well, you are in exactly the right place. Seriously, take a second and ask yourself, do you truly own your ideas if your notes are locked away behind a paid subscription or some closed-source app? I mean, if the company behind your favorite tool decides to completely change its pricing model, or worse, just shuts down tomorrow, what happens to your knowledge?
Here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the note-taking dilemma, introduce Silverbullet, do a quick features and cost breakdown, check out a real-world application, run through the limitations and trade-offs, and then wrap it all up with the final verdict.
Section 1. The Note-Taking Dilemma. All right, let's just dive straight into this.
So, networked note-taking tools are incredibly popular right now, and for good reason. But a lot of power users, small business owners, and consultants are suffering from a really frustrating dual problem. Heavyweights like Rome Research and Obsidian, they are fantastic tools, no doubt, but they're either paid, closed source, or both. And the thing is, businesses want full data ownership. We need our notes in portable, plain text formats so we aren't constantly worried about being trapped in a proprietary database. Until now, there's just been a massive lack of genuinely open source options that can actually deliver on that.
Section 2. Introducing Silverbullet. And that brings us perfectly to the solution that totally fills this gap. Meet Silverbullet. Its core DNA is beautifully simple, but man is it powerful. It's an open-source, self-hosted web application released under the highly permissive MIT license. But here's the absolute best part. It's built entirely on plain Markdown files. Basically, Silverbullet just sits on top of open, portable text files on your own server. That guarantees, literally guarantees, that your notes are inherently future-proof. Now, what's really interesting to zero in on here is Silverbullet's superpower, bidirectional linking. Instead of dumping your files into rigid, old-school folders, which, let's face it, is where ideas go to die, bidirectional linking connects related notes together organically. When you link Note A to Note B, Silverbullet automatically creates a backlink from B to A. It mimics how our human brains actually connect ideas, effortlessly building this dynamic, networked knowledge graph over time. Let's contrast this directly with the competition. You've got Silverbullet's open-source, plain Markdown, self-hosted model going head-to-head against popular alternatives that rely on closed-source core apps, proprietary syncing, and rigid databases. Because Silverbullet just reads standard text files, its absolute guarantee of data portability is just unmatched. I mean, you could open your entire knowledge base in a basic text editor like Notepad if you ever decided to walk away from the app.
Section 3. Features and cost breakdown. Let's shift gears and look under the hood.
We know it keeps our data safe, but what is it actually like to use? Well, Silverbullet really packs a punch. It features live preview rendering right as you type, lightning-fast full-text search to rediscover those old thoughts, a highly extensible plugin system, and seamless Git compatibility for version control. But I really want you to focus on that top point, the keyboard-driven command palette. The entire tool is designed for efficient, mouse-free navigation. It lets you manipulate your knowledge graph at the literal speed of thought. Because taking your hands off the keyboard to hunt around with a mouse, it just slows down your genius. And that brings us to the cost. $180. That right there is the typical annual cost of a recurring subscription for an individual user on a popular networked platform like Rome Research. Over just a few years, you are shelling out hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to rent access to your own brain. Let's compare these numbers directly. Rome is roughly $180 a year. Obsidian is free for personal use, sure, but their sync service for multi-device access, that's going to run you about $96 a year. Silverbullet software is completely 100% free. You only pay for minimal cloud hosting using Docker, which generally runs somewhere between $60 and $180 a year. If you switch, this self-hosted setup can easily pay for itself in the very first year. Plus, you get that massive added bonus of total data portability.
Section 4. Real-world application. Let's move from the abstract technical stuff and see how this builds out in the real world.
Picture this. You're an independent management consultant. You're constantly conducting heavy research across a bunch of complex client engagements simultaneously. Your primary goal here is to safely store these insights without creating isolated data silos, all while keeping an eye out for overarching patterns and themes across months of hard work. By adopting Silverbullet, a consultant in this exact scenario experienced massive gains. As they worked, they casually linked research notes whenever related themes popped up. This organically built an incredibly valuable personal knowledge graph that surfaced wild connections they would have otherwise entirely missed. And because every single note was just a plain Markdown file, they safely backed everything up using Git version history. Their client data stayed secure and entirely under their control the whole time.
So if all this sounds exactly like what you need, the migration path is actually highly manageable. Step 1. Only migrate your actively referenced notes first. Seriously, do not try to move years of junk over on day 1. Step 2. If you're coming from Obsidian, it's virtually seamless. If you're coming from database-heavy tools like Notion, expect a little manual reformatting. Step 3. Establish that Git-based backup immediately. Honestly, most folks can port their core knowledge base over in just a few days of focused effort.
Section 5. Limitations and trade-offs. Okay, let's take a step back and be totally objective for a second to talk about what it shouldn't be used for.
Silverbullet is incredible for personal or small-scale knowledge management, but it is definitely not for large, structured team documentation. It entirely lacks the formal permissions and approval workflows that big enterprise teams require. If your business needs a really strict hierarchy or a formal corporate wiki, you should probably be looking at tools like Bookstack or Wiki.js instead. Also, you've got to know that the learning curve for bidirectional linking can be a bit steep at first if you've never used a network tool before. I really want to highlight a common pitfall here. Relying solely on your mouse, that completely misses the core efficiency of Silverbullet. If you skip learning the keyboard-driven command palette, you undermine the fast, fluid experience the software was fundamentally built to provide. You really have to break that mouse reliance to unlock its full potential.
Section 6. The final verdict. So, what does this all mean for you?
Well, the final verdict is pretty clear. Silverbullet is absolutely the standout pick for consultants, researchers, and knowledge workers. If you're even somewhat comfortable with a basic Docker deployment for self-hosting, this tool offers incredible, dynamic functionality at absolute zero software cost, all while keeping your data securely in your own hands.
This quote really hits the nail on the head. It says, Silverbullet provides both the connected thinking benefits of tools like Roam and the long-term data portability of simple text files. You no longer have to choose. You get the connected thinking benefits of those premium tools perfectly layered over the permanent security of simple text files.
I'm going to leave you with this one provocative thought. If your absolute favorite note-taking app just completely shut down tomorrow, would your second brain actually survive? With Silverbullet, the answer is an undeniable 100% yes. It's time to finally take control of your digital knowledge base. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, keep building those brilliant connections.